Today we're gonna show you our newest machine Xtend 4x2 and how you can use it to make nested parts. The Electrospindle can be up to 40 kilowatts with up to 50 different tool positions with automatic presetting. We are gonna mill a plate 1x1 meter aluminum, 10 millimeters thickness, and we are gonna create this simple part. In the first pass, we are going to use a 4 millimeter diameter single flute cutter in order to create the pockets. Now we are going to use an 8 millimeter single flute cutter to make the roughing, and after that we are going to use a diameter 8 millimeters 6 flute cutter in order to create the mirror finishing. The hood is not in the lowest possible position just for the purposes of the demonstration. If you have the hood in its lowest position, the vacuum system is so powerful that can extract 100% of the chips. So that way you're going to have a very clean part at the end of the process. Now the vacuum pump is still on. The part is completely cutted all around. There are no tabs holding the part, just the vacuum. And if you can see, no matter how much I push, the part is not moving. Now without the vacuum, I can just move the part and the part is ready, completed without any need of post-processing. And as you can see, the finishing is like a mirror finishing, so you don't need a post-process. Now we are going to take two random pieces just for the comparison. As you can see, the parts are identical. The finishing is mirror finishing, and there is no need for extra post-process.